Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw permit documentation for home EV charger, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw permit documentation for your home EV charger, start by identifying the requirements set by your local government or municipality. Visit your local building department's website for specific guidelines on electrical permits related to EV chargers. Download or access the necessary permit application forms from the website. Fill out the application with accurate information regarding your property and the EV charger installation. Gather any supporting documentation required, such as electrical plans or specifications of the charger. Check if you need to include proof of home ownership or written consent from your landlord if applicable. Review local zoning laws to ensure compliance with installation regulations. Submit your completed application via the specified method, whether it be online or in person. Pay any associated fees listed on the application. Keep a copy of your application and any confirmation emails for your records. Wait for the local authority to process your application, which may take several days or weeks. Follow up with the building department if you do not receive a response within the expected timeframe. Once approved, you will receive your permit documentation, which allows you to proceed with the installation of your EV charger. Ensure to keep the permit documentation accessible during the installation process for any inspections that may occur. Once the charger is installed, you may need to schedule a final inspection with your local building department. Be prepared to present your permit and any other required documentation during the inspection. After a successful inspection, your installation will be deemed compliant with local regulations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.